When the UE is synchronized with the network, it decodes the master information block, discovered CORESET and search space, and it decodes the downlink control information, and finally located the PDCCH, which carries SIB1. But where exactly is the PDCCH is transmitted in the resource grid? Can the PDCCH appear anywhere inside the resource grid, or does the network reserve a special region for this control information? Imagine if the network could place the PDCCH anywhere inside the resource grid, the UE would not have any idea where to listen. In that case, UE would have to search thousands of possible locations. Most of them would contain nothing. This would create enormous wastage of processing power and battery energy. Clearly, this is not a practical solution. Instead of allowing the control information to appear anywhere inside the resource grid, 5G reserves a dedicated region. Now the UE does not search the entire resource grid. It only monitors this reserved region. This reserved region is named as control resource set, or simply called as CORESET. CORESET is not a physical channel. It is simply a region inside the resource grid. Whenever scheduler needs to transmit control information, PDCCH is placed inside this reserved region. Now the UE simply listens inside the configured CORESET. Let's first understand the time dimension of a slot. Control resource set occupies only the first few OFDM symbols at the beginning of the slot. Once the control information is transmitted, the remaining symbols become available for the data transmission. CORESET does not have to occupy the entire bandwidth. For a small deployment, only a few resource blocks may be reserved, and larger deployments can configure a much wider control resource set. The network simply chooses how much bandwidth should be reserved for control information. Without CORESET, the UE must search the entire resource grid, but with CORESET, it only searches very small region. Less searching means less processing, lower power consumption, and faster decoding.